Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable Bluetooth and pair device on Android. So to do this, scroll down from the top of your screen to show the quick settings panel and look for Bluetooth. Long press and it will take you to the Bluetooth settings. Turn on the Bluetooth and you'll be able to see paired devices and available devices. Scroll down and in the advanced settings, you'll see your device's name. If you want to change how your Bluetooth name appears on the other devices, tap on device name and you'll be able to change your Bluetooth name. To pair your device, choose from available devices, tap the device you want to pair, and a small window will pop up with number on both devices. Then tap Pair. And that's how you enable Bluetooth and pair device on Android.